our marine creatures. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our main feeding session, or welcome to our 12th feeding session. And here you are, two of our ocean divers just arrived right in front of you and bring along the blanket. So everybody, so let's say hi to our divers. Hi, alright. So for today we don't have a god of prosperity, okay? But it's okay. So as you can see, they bring along the black market session. The black market consists the diet for our marine creatures, which is the diet for our marine creatures today is some mackerel, squid, and some cabbage. So our diver on the right side will feed our sea turtle, and the diver on the left side will feed our stingrays. And as you can see, our diver on the left side are waiting for our stingrays to be at this aqua. And after this, you can see how the stingray find and detect their food. So let me show you guys something amazing fact about the stingrays. So actually in this world, all stingrays, they are bottom feeder, which means their eyes on top on their body and their mouth below on their body. So they cannot see their food and also their prey. So how they will eat? They will use their sense of smell that we call it electroreceptor to find and detect their food. So after this, maybe our time-plush pantry will be right in front of you, and we'll show you guys harmful to the vicious eyesight. Also will be very dangerous to our divers' safety. And as you can see also, there's two of our aquarists. They sit right in front of you and hold a torchlight. So the use of torchlight to communicate with our divers inside this fan tank if the sand tiger sharks come from behind. The name is the olive ridley. So as you know, the olive ridley is the second smallest. It's the second smallest sea turtle in this world. And we have two species of, ladies and gentlemen, one of our stingrays just arrived right in front of you, the leopard ring. So right now I want to see how the stingray find their food using the electroreceptor. Look at that, wow. So don't get confused everybody. That's not their face, but only their mouth and gills only. Remember what I said, they are bottom feeder, which means their eyes on top on their body and their mouth below on their body. And our diver will feed our leopard ray or honeycomb ray with some mackerels today. So on the right side, of course, that one is the olive ridley, the second smallest sea turtle species in this world. And of course, on the bottom right, that one is the green sea turtle that I said. The green fully fishes we have here, we have golden trevally, silver monarch fish, hilton fusilia, and also we are, our underwater tunnel is the longest underwater tunnel in the sharks that can be on the sea floor, because sand tiger sharks, they have a special organs inside their body that we call it a bladder. And right now, ladies and gentlemen, this is one of our main star also, the giant blanche pantry, or we call it a CD. Waiting for our stingrays, the nice piece of stingrays to be aqua teacher. I hope you guys enjoyed the feeding session. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for